life can become challenging. Between health needs, family responsibilities, and daily life, the problem. Many seniors and their families struggle to keep up with household chores while ensuring a comfortable, hazard-free living environment. That's where we come in. Our senior care service provides compassionate, professional home health support tailored to your loved one's needs. From light housekeeping to personal care, we handle it all so you can focus on what matters most. With flexible scheduling, trusted caregivers, and a focus on dignity and safety, we make it easier to enjoy a clean, healthy, and independent lifestyle. If you're looking for a local, reliable, and compassionate senior home care service, contact us now. Your loved one's home, our compassionate care.